Today I want to talk about my book I've just written. It's done, finally done. I'm putting it in the next 1 2 days. It'll be on Amazon. The Order of the Royal Earthlings. I don't have a copy, but I'll put a copy on the screen so you can see what it would look like. And yeah, this is what this channel is about, is this book and my journey. This book is talking about my journey through life, my struggles, my transformation, more inner transformation, but physical too. Going through the body, but with the mind, because what you eat and what you put in your food, body, makes all the difference when with the mind and your inner self, your own inner demons, the things that's really keeping you down, and that's. But it's a journey. It's a lifelong journey. This book. From my childhood, growing up in apartheid South Africa, coming out the change, and how many of us saw this whole transformation of a different country. A lot of people left, and the book is about my own transformation. But if I can transform, others can transform. My own visions, it's a vision through what my own experiences. This book talks about and tells that story, but also creates a solution of what society could be through my visions, my, let's say, prophecies of and downloads that I've received. It's been my lifelong mission to do this. And this book, The Order of the Royal Earthlings, is everything that I've been keeping in, and the reason for all that I've gone through. I've put it all, my heart and soul, into this book, and I think you'll find it a very interesting read, and I hope some that do decide to buy this book will take some things out of it. So my name's Gordon Pino, and yeah, my book, The Order of the Royal Earthlings, it will be coming out in the next few days. Thank you very much. Thanks.